Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover your deleted Strava activity. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up our Strava application on our mobile device and sign into your account. Now once we're signed in, we need to click onto the U section at the bottom right hand corner of the page. Then from here, we need to click onto the gear icon or settings on the top right hand corner of the page. Then from here, we want to scroll down and look for the option where it says support. So click into support. Then from here, we want to go ahead and say something along the lines of, "Hi Strava support, I accidentally deleted one of my activities and I'd like to see if it can be restored. Here are the details." So now go ahead and send something like this. And then from here, we want to go ahead and fill in these details. So we can go ahead and type something like this. So activity type, so if this is run ride, your date, insert the date there, approx start time, estimated distance or duration. This is optional but helpful. Device use, so this can be an iPhone app, Garmin watch, Apple watch, etc. If possible, please help me recover this activity, thank you. So go ahead and fill in the blanks there and send that to Strava support.